It's a bit tight in here, mate.
What do you mean by that?
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we are going to be installing steering wheel controls and volume button controls, volume button controls for your steering wheel. Now pretty much this is what they look like. Let me just take them out of the raffle. Just gonna unwrap. Whoa, it fell. So this is what they look like standard. I'm not going to tell you what color they are. You might see it obviously in the intro or whatever, but yeah, we're going to install it and I'm going to surprise you what color it is. Obviously I've got to take a video of it at nighttime, so they look better and they pop out a bit more. But yeah, first thing, let's undo this. Obviously steering lock, pop the bonnet. I'm taking off my steering lock as well. One hand, little cheeky 10mm. So yeah, pretty much 10mm, and undo the battery. Obviously I'm leaving that for now because obviously I need to touch that. So yeah, T10 bit, screwdriver, flathead, or whatever the hell you want to use, into the back of here, back of the steering wheel, tap, tap, tap. Also make sure steering lock, it has to be undone, yeah, when you undo the battery, because if you don't, and this locks, long day, because you won't be able to turn it back to undo all of this and change the buttons. Do you get it? And also you want to wait a couple minutes when you undo the battery so the airbag don't blow up in your face, mate. Because that truly is a long day. You don't want that. I think it's been 4 seconds. So yeah, let's get cracking. A T10, and a T10. Oh my God, I'm actually doing this. This is nuts. I can't lie. I get nervous when I work on my own car because obviously you guys are seeing me do it, but I'm showing you how to do it. So while I'm recording, it's, you know, trial and error, or the editing. It's long. You guys don't give a fuck. Anyway, that's gonna be done. So that's ooh. Next thing, cool. So to get it off, flathead, bit of tape. Ignore this company. Bit of tape, and then you just want to plop it at, because obviously it is push clipped in, I think. So you want to take your time with it. Don't go too crazy. Just pry it open. Just work your way around the airbag. Obviously you don't want to hit. Wouldn't want the airbag to go off, mate. Otherwise, you do it. That's one part off. Then this part off. And then like so. Boom. Just like that. So then now, you basically got the little clip there. That plugs into the actual steering wheel controls and one there. And then you just plop it off, put the new ones in, and Bob's your uncle. Sweet. So you got it off, and now you have a couple screws there at the back, and then once that's done, you take those off, you slap your new ones on. Also got my little steering wheel controls, but before I do that, I am going to test it and make sure that they do work. I can only do that if I've got the battery on. Shit. Fuck. Okay, cool. I trust OEM, so yeah, we're gonna send it, bruv. But yeah, I can't lie, cause that took very long. But anyway, we got it on. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Obviously, the same way you took it out is the same way I was gonna go back on. You get me? Get me? So it's a bit tight in here, mate. Anyway. We got it. We plug one in. Now, if you want, you could actually pull it, because you can pull it to get a bit more slack, because there is a bit of slack on this wire. I think Ford knew I was going to change this, so they were like, yeah. And that looks good. So we're going to turn it, screw it back up, plug in the battery, and Bob's your uncle. If your uncle's not name is Bob, his name could be Murphy, his name could be Sam, his name could be Taylor. This is a yes. But yeah, how you guys doing today? I can't lie, yeah, I'm just chilling, to be fair. I don't really talk to you guys. What's up? But I can't lie, life's been going to shit, bruv. Been losing so much around me, but you know, we keep it moving, we keep it stepping. That's the attitude you gotta have. So yeah. So that's one screwed in. Stuck the other ones in. So yeah, guys, that's the video. Quick little install. To be fair, it's one of the coolest mods you can do to your Fiesta. Makes it stand out a bit. Not many people change these, to be fair, so definitely hit up OEM, get your orders in, and yeah, it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace. Stay tuned for the next video.